Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we will learn how to display the current Python version which you are using and the path to your project. So we are going to learn how are we going to display both displaying the path of your project and as well as the version of your Python which you are using. Okay, so just create a new Python file and you can just name it as version demo. Okay. And here what you are going to do is import sys. So what is this sys? Sys is nothing but module. Okay, so it's a system module in Python where it has some predefined functions and variables and classes which can be used to display like path and version and all those. So we'll look into the modules in detail in coming sessions, but coming now, okay, sys is nothing but it's a package or a module, we can say, where it contains reusable methods or functions and variables. Okay, and now print system.version and then system.path. Okay, so this system.version will print what is your current Python version, and system.path will ping you the path. Okay. So let's run the program and see the output. So if you see here, so this is the version of Python which we are using, 3.9.7. Okay, and coming to the path, C users XP PyCharm projects and Python project. So this is the path. Okay, so this is the path of your project. So hope you understand how to display the system version and system path. Display the version and path for your project by using Python. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.